Hi there, this is just a quick reminder to take extra care when following the advice in our videos, especially when it comes to things like electrics, gas appliances and heavy lifting. Stay safe and if in doubt, always contact a qualified professional. If your boiler pressure's too high, it can cause leaks, but luckily it's pretty easy to fix. The pressure of your boiler should read between 1 and 2 or 15 to 30 psi on the pressure gauge. As your boiler heats up the water for your radiators and taps, the water expands and increases the pressure. To lower it, you'll need to bleed your radiators with a radiator key. See our How to Bleed a Radiator video to learn how. If that doesn't bring the pressure down, you should contact a qualified engineer. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.